Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do this volcano trick. I use this because I'm not a professional, so I might spill quite a bit. First, you need some baking.
I hope not.
First, you need baking soda, right? How much? Like this much? No, I failed.
Do it again. Put more in. Just keep.
Okay.
Hi, Josh.
My dad is looking on his.
Okay, do another one.
Why?
Just so you have enough. This is gonna explode.
And it's gonna be a short video.
Okay, I'm gonna get the food coloring. I forgot the food coloring.
Where is the food coloring? Wait, do you have vinegar?
Put the rest of it in.
Oh, the whole baking soda thing?
No, that's it.
That's.
Now put 8 pumps of the soap.
I like this. Eight.
Okay, now put your food coloring in. Pick up food coloring.
I'm gonna use I'm gonna use blue. You don't have to use it at all. I just want to use blue. How many things?
Yeah, that's good. A few drops. Okay, it's good.
Now,
Stir.
yeah, stir. I'm using a chopstick.
Stir really well.
This is gonna be. How long is the video?
2 minutes.
My dad's just looking at his phone.
Okay. Good. Okay, now the vinegar's in the measuring cup over there.
Oh.
And this is
Well,
the.
what if I miss completely?
Well, you just have to pour really careful. It has a spout, so you have to pour really carefully, okay? Here we go.
I feel like I'm just gonna be so scared when I
Okay,
pour the vinegar in.
Well, it won't explode, it'll just. Okay, 1, 2, 3, pour.
That was lame. Actually, it's nice. Okay, more vinegar. Let's stir.
No, Holdy, look, it's going. There's lots.
That's lame. Kinda. Next, we're doing elephant toothpaste.
Anything you want to say to close? Just end it.
That's water, by the way. Anyways,
What is the video over?
bye. Make
Thanks.
sure to hit the like button, subscribe, goodbye.